With these fresh chives, I'm going to flavor our Oyakodon. This is a bowl of rice topped with chicken and half-cooked eggs. The name of this dish deserves an explanation. Oyakodon literally means the parent-child bowl. Actually, we eat chicken and egg. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. The day before, soak 20 grams of Kombu seaweed in 1 liter of water overnight in the fridge. The next day, take 450 grams of short grain rice. Wash it 3 times. Cook it with 50 centiliters of water. For cooking without using the rice cooker, you can watch my macaroni sushi video. Put the seaweed with this soaking water into a saucepan. Heat over medium heat for about 10 minutes. The seaweed shouldn't boil. As soon as the small bubbles appear, cut the fire. Put the lid on and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Remove the skin and the bone from the chicken thighs. Cut them into pieces. Put them in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Take 20 centiliters of the broth for the recipe. We can later make a miso soup with the remainder broth. We can keep it for a week in the fridge. With the kombu seaweed, make a salad. Cut it into strips. Put them in a bowl. Prepare a vinaigrette. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Add it into the seaweed. Mix. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. The salad is ready. Cut an onion into pieces. Mince the chives. Cut the nori seaweed into thin strips. Eat the seaweed used to make maki sushi rolls. Briefly beat the eggs. In a pan, put the 20 centiliters of kombu seaweed broth, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of dashi powder. Combine and heat over medium heat. Add the onion. Let cook for 7 minutes. Spread the chicken pieces in the pan. Let cook for 4 minutes. Then flip them over. Cook another 4 minutes. Carefully pour half of the beaten eggs over. Let cook for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pour in the remaining eggs. Leave another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Cut the fire. Sprinkle with the chives. The egg should have a soft texture and not be fully cooked. Take 1 portion of Oyakodon and put over a rice bowl. Add some nori seaweed. Sprinkle a little of Shichimi. It's a Japanese 7 spices mix. Bon appétit! The seaweed broth is very important. It acts as a natural flavor enhancer. It makes the dish very tasty. It has iodine and umami. The seaweed salad brings freshness and crunchiness. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.